Hello and welcome. I'd like to share with you the various reports available in ThunderTix. There are two categories for reports: events-based reports and system-wide reports. Let's start with event reports. First things first, let's locate where you can find your reports. When you first log into your ThunderTix account, in the left-hand menu, click on Events and then Event Manager. There, you will see your current list of upcoming events. In the Reports column on the right, you'll notice 5 report options: Quick Summary, Waiting List, Event Settlement, Coupons Redeemed, and Ticket Types. These are reports for the entire production or all-included performances of the parent event. If we click on the Manage button, we will then see the various performances within the event. You'll see here that there are now 10 reports listed in the Reports column. These are specific to each performance or date and time of the event and include the Guest List, Settlement Report, Export Guest List, Performance Sales, Coupons Redeemed, Barcodes, Ticket Type, Product Sales, Survey Responses, and Waiting List. These are available per performance or individual date of the parent event. Now that you know where the event reports are, let's take a look at the other reports available through ThunderTix. If you take a look at your left-hand menu, you'll see the Reports tab partway down. Clicking here will expand the drop-down and show the various reports available. First up is the dashboard. This provides an excellent overview of the state of your sales, allowing you to compare with previous timeframes. The dashboard is followed by the reconciliation report. This is the report that your bookkeeper or treasurer will use to reconcile bank deposits. Next is the Comp Tickets report, which shows complimentary tickets for a specific time period across all events. The calendar view displays all upcoming performances and allows you to click and drag over a time frame to pull a report for all events selected. Next, the multi-event report enables you to create a single report for multiple performances to see how all of them are doing comparatively. The event sales summary is in list format and shows tickets sold and available, along with other event information for upcoming events. Similarly, the event sales graph shows a visual representation of all upcoming events and their respective tickets sold and revenue. Use the barcode scan report to see how many barcodes were scanned per agent at each entrance. The Email Issues Delivery report lists email addresses for both ordered emails and mass emails that have been blocked, bounced, or unsubscribed, helping you to easily update or remove such email addresses. The Orders with Balances report lists orders with balances still remaining, helping you to quickly process additional payments or view order details. The Unapplied Credits report lists orders with unapplied credits from exchanges performed at a lesser value, so you can easily view details or process refunds. And finally, you can use the Downloads page to view all of your downloaded reports over the last 30 days. All right, that's it for now. If you have any questions, we have lots of documentation in our how-to guides, or you can take a look at our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.